Welcome back to Mobile Home Investing Secrets. So, you are interested in flipping a mobile home. What does it take to flip a mobile home, guys? So, I want to walk you through a recent lead, a recent home that a seller contacted me about just a couple of days ago. And this is the thing that I always warn you guys about on this channel when it comes to mobile home investing. I talked about it in the first video. You can check it out. The link is in the description about can you make money flipping a mobile home? Yes, you can make money. But the important thing that I tell you guys is that you have to count the cost when flipping a mobile home. Glenn, what do you mean by counting the costs? Well, literally counting the cost of what it will take, not only with your budget, dollar amount, but manpower, hours, contractors, resources. All these things you have to consider when flipping a mobile home. So let's look at this mobile home that a seller contacted me about. They wanted to sell this mobile home because they ran into issues, and they went into this flip with the idea of they would get this home and totally remodel the home. Let's look at it, guys. So you want to flip a mobile home. Look at the outside. So it looks like they painted the outside. They painted it a nice blue and white color, which looks nice. We see that they replaced some of the windows. You'll see they even replaced the front door. I mean, these windows, these are double pane windows. This home looks like an 80s model home. Let's look at some more of these pictures. Guys, they put work into this home. They literally gutted this mobile home, guys. So let's talk about it. Flipping a mobile home. Will you totally gut this home out? Look at this home. They totally replaced all the walls, put new sheetrock, mud, sanding. They still have material left over. That's the question you have to ask yourself. Who is going to do the sheetrock material? Who's going to do the sheetrock work? Look at the floors. The floors are bare. Who's going to replace the floors? How much will that cost? These are all things that you must consider when flipping a mobile home. Look at this picture, guys. They went in it with an idea to gut out the whole bathroom, put a new bathroom inside this mobile home. New toilet, new shower. You can see the panel right here, the shower panel, shower base. Look at this, a whirlpool tub, guys. I mean, they spun this, just these three things would, this is probably about $1,000, I would imagine. So, and then they didn't even finish. So just with the materials right here, you're looking at $1,000. You have to count the cost when wanting to flip a mobile home. Again, they wanted to flip the kitchen. Look at this, new cabinets, new sheetrock all throughout the kitchen, windows, pulled up the floors, new ceilings. And I mean, we're just getting started, guys. Again, sheetrock work. Can you do sheetrock work? That's the question you must ask yourself. Do you have time to do sheetrock work? Are you familiar with sanding, mudding, getting these smooth lines in the sheetrock with the mud? That's all things you have to consider. How much time do you have to watch YouTube videos to learn how to do this stuff? Again, do you have time to flip a whole bathroom? Pulling up floors, tearing out walls, putting in new toilets, putting in new tubs, new showers, new cabinets, doing plumbing. I mean, these people did this all themselves, guys, and I'm going to tell you towards the end what was their issue. Here we go. Replace the walls inside this room. Pull up the floors. tore down walls. You can see this is the outside metal here. They have to add insulation. Have you guys calculated about how much you think they spent on this remodel? I just want you guys to have a figure in your head what you think this flip cost these people. How much did it cost these people to flip this mobile home? Let's look at some more pictures. Again, floors, another bedroom. I think this is a 3-bedroom, maybe 2 bath, I think, or maybe 1 bath. Here we see again cabinets, all these supplies. And look at this, guys. They redid all the wiring. Can you rewire a whole mobile home? These are all things that you have to think about. These are all the resources, the manpower, your budget. These are all things that you must consider when flipping a mobile home. Look at this. I think this looks like a bathroom. Yes, another bathroom. We see a toilet, a sink here on the floor. They pulled out the windows. I mean, these people did a lot of work to this home, guys. They didn't even finish mudding it yet. So that's pretty much all the pictures. Again, look at this tub. New faucet handles, Whirlpool jets, insulation, sheetrock material still left over. They were replacing the windows. Look at these double pane windows up here. I mean, these people did a lot of work to this home. But guess what, guys? Like I always continue to say, people run into the same problem. If I get one seller who called and tells me that they could not finish the project, I've heard 1,000 of these calls, guys. They want to sell it because they could not finish the project. Why? They didn't count the costs. They ran out of money, guys. They ran out of money. They ran out of time. It became a hassle. They just couldn't stick with the project anymore. And now they have all these materials left over. Now they just want to sell it to try and recoup their money. And guess what? What was the asking price, guys? They wanted $7,000 for this mobile home. And look at this. You have about another 5-10 grand worth of work left in this home. With replacing floors, finishing with the windows, putting in the tubs and the toilets, finishing up with the wiring. We see these wires hanging from the ceiling. It's a lot of work, guys. So if you're interested in flipping a mobile home, and when it comes to mobile home investing, I recommend not to go this route, guys. There's an easier way to make money when it comes to flipping mobile homes. I teach you inside the course how to do this. I teach you inside the book how to make money. There's an easier way to make money flipping mobile homes where you don't have to do all this heavy lifting. Replacing sheetrock, replacing the kitchen, replacing bathrooms. There's an easier way, guys, and you won't end up like these people who ran out of money, ran out of time. They didn't count the costs. So if you want to learn our strategies, our secrets on how to make money without doing all of this work, check out the links below. Check out the video course. We show you, we actually flip the mobile home and show you an easier way to do it, what to look for, where you won't even tackle a situation like this. So if you want to learn more about this stuff, just check out the links. And happy investing to all you guys. I hope this video taught you some things, what not to do, what to do. And I don't want this for you guys. So definitely check out the information, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. All right. Thank you.